Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix lines on your iPhone screen. Alright, let's begin. First, clean your iPhone display with a microfiber cloth to remove any dust, fingerprints, or debris. If you recently installed a screen protector or tempered glass, remove it and check if the lines disappear, as some protectors can interfere with the display. If the issue remains, try gently massaging the affected area of the screen using your thumb in small circular motions. Apply light pressure only and avoid pressing too hard. In some cases, this can temporarily reconnect a loose display connector. If you notice the lines change or improve while pressing a certain area, it's a strong sign of a hardware connection issue. While this trick may help, it's only a temporary fix, so it's best to have the phone repaired as soon as possible before the problem gets worse. Next, perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally press and hold the side button until the screen turns black and the Apple logo appears. Ignore the slide to power off screen and keep holding the side button until the phone restarts. A force restart reloads the system and can resolve display issues caused by temporary software glitches. It won't erase any of your photos, apps, or personal data. So that's basically how you can fix lines on your iPhone screen. That's it for this video. Thanks!